Our story begins in the year 2022, as Zimbabwe commemorated its 42nd independence anniversary. Amidst the celebrations, the unresolved disappearances of the Silobela 12, a group of civilians abducted and disappeared in the 1980s, cast a shadow over the festivities. Suspicions of state involvement were fueled by the repeated vandalization of memorials erected in their honor. President Emmerson Mnangagwa's attempts at reconciliation faced criticism for lack of accountability and a victim-centered approach, leaving a nation grappling with a prolonged economic crisis and citizens seeking opportunities abroad. Fast forward to 2023, a pivotal year for Zimbabwe's political landscape. The young Zimbabweans, making up over 60% of the population, rallied to make their voices count. With the country facing challenges such as substandard healthcare and harsh economic conditions, organizations like Project Vote 263 and Accountability Lab Zimbabwe engaged youths through voter education, music competitions, and outreach activities. The aim was to promote youth participation in democracy and shape the nation's future. In the same year, a significant political development unfolded. The Citizens Coalition for Change, or CCC, started engaging with the ruling Zanu PF party. Rumors swirled that CCC members of parliament had been bought and would soon receive cars as part of this deal, sparking accusations of betrayal against the party's leader, Nelson Chamisa. In a surprising turn of events, Chamisa resigned from the CCC, describing it as a poisoned chalice. The rumors didn't stop there. It was suggested that the CC MPs would aid in extending President Mnangagwa's term up to 2030. However, Mnangagwa declined these claims, stating such a move would be undemocratic. Yet many remained skeptical, suspecting the president was seeking a third term. In summary, Zimbabwe's political journey is a complex tapestry of hope, resilience, and the quest for a brighter future. The unresolved disappearances of the past continue to haunt the nation, while the younger generation is stepping up to shape the country's destiny. Amidst political rumors and alliances, the quest for transparency, accountability, and true democracy remains. As Zimbabwe moves forward, the question remains: can this nation rise above its past and embrace a future of promise?